Okay, today my Hotend arrived. This one has the rubber socks, black one, and you can see there is CR. So this one for the CR10, but I'm going to use this one for the my Megazero MZ Megazero V1. Okay, so I won't take it apart today to see inside. So I need hexagon driver 1.5 and 2.0 for this. Okay, so I'm going to first here. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna remove this coupling first. This is coupling, easy to remove. Looks like this. When I see the size of the hole, maybe that the 4mm Bowden tube gonna fit in. Okay, and I'm going to 1.5mm hexagon driver. Open this. And oh, not all the way. I'm gonna leave a little bit here. Okay. Okay, good. And here. This one is 2.0. 2.0. Yes. Okay. Ooh, okay. Open this. And ooh, a little bit more. Okay. Oh yes. Yeah. This heatsink looks like this. And oh, this one, 2 screw come out, and yeah, I'm going to take this out. Heat brake, yeah. So this one, the Bowden tube all the way down to the nozzle, yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Nozzle is here, right? Okay. This one is good. And I'm gonna put this back. Everything is back. And yeah, I like these 2 bolts holding this heat block to the heat sink because when I install the nozzle without these two screws, when I tighten the nozzle, maybe there's a chance the heat block, is kind of not line up, kind of turns together, right? So this one is good. I like it. And I'm going to 1.5mm hexagon driver to tighten the heat block. Good. And the coupling. Oh yeah, coupling. And the heat block sock. Okay, good, perfect, nice. Okay, I'm going to install soon.